Hello, everyone. Welcome to our next episode of Learning with Us. And today, we will be talking about the significance of databases in our daily life. Have you ever wondered how your school stores your grades, and how hospital keep patient records, or how online shopping apps remember our orders? Behind all of these services is something called a database.
A database is an organized collection of information that is stored electronically. It allows users to store, access, update, and manage quickly, accurately, and securely.
To help us better understand the importance of databases and how they are used in real life situations, we invited a guest with knowledge in the field of information technology. Our interviewee is Mr. Alberto Mantalana, an AZLC instructor and DepEd Financial Assistance Specialist. We appreciate him for taking the time to share their knowledge and experience with us.
Good day, Sir Albert. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. My name is Mecca, together with me, Miss Faiza and Miss Angel. And we will be asking some questions about your field.
So, what is a database and why is it important?
So database comes from the word datos, no? Datos means data, information, and base comes from the word butanganan sa Bisaya pa. So basically, database, mura siya wallet, where you store your money. So since you're asking about database, so database literally it is a wallet of information. So sudlanan siya sa information nga mo mag-gather from maybe a software or any information nga imong ginagather. So that is a database.
So, thank you, sir. Very informative, no? So, how are databases used in your field or daily work?
Okay. So data as an IT, so data or information is very important. So unsaon man nato or unsaon man sa system pagkabalo as an IT as a programmer, as developing some softwares. So when using database, using database is very important due to, as like what I have said earlier, no, it is the wallet of information. So it is where I store information of whatever system I am currently doing or a system that which I develop.
How do databases help businesses or organizations become more efficient?
So in technology era, which is today, no, most of companies uses digital frameworks to do their businesses. Using database in businesses or in organization makes information easy to store, gather easy. So once na naka-information, you don't need to write anything. You just need to store it in your computer, in your database, and from time to time you can monitor easily. Tanaw lang ka sa imong computer, then makita ra to nimo dali tong mga information nga imong gikinahanglan. Depende sa imong gamitan or sa tong information imong kinahanglan. No, dali ra nimo siya i-sort out, while kung di ka magamit database like sa kanang karaan no nga sulat-sulat, so lisod siya pangitaon ng mga files. While in databases, since it is already digitalized, pwede na ka makabuhat og search engine, then automatically kung unsay imong ipangita makuha na nimo diretso like Google, di ba? So na importante gid ang database. And also kung magstorya mo gud og businesses, there is always an employee. So how can a company monitor their employee from salaries, attendance, and so on with kung kuan siya no manual. So daghan kayo og information nga kuha, especially sa salaries employee kapang panahon sa mga kanang kuan pa kanang sulat-sulat. Well karon dali na kayo ma-monitor bisan pagkanusapan nga tuig nilabay. Dayon unsa na pud nga tuig kuan. So kabantay mo kung kadung man ang mga issues sa kuan SSS nga double compensations mga inana. So dali nila ma-retrieve, dali nila makuha ang information, makita po doon nilang nga double nga kini nga employee is na ay nagbayad siya SSS ani nga company while gabayad pud siya diri at the same time, di ba? So matrack na sa SSS okay na di kay kuan double nga
Double na bayad.
bayad. So Ang buhaton nila, ilan lang tong emerge. So ina nakadali no while kung mag sulat-sulat ka, wala na. Kung unsa tayo nakita, wala na kabalo kung napabatoy lain yung data. So ina na importante sa business and organizations ang database.
From our interviews, one thing is clear. Databases are far more than just storage tools. They are the foundation of how we work, connect, and access services today. They keep our information safe, make our daily tasks faster, and open doors for new technology we haven't even imagined yet. In businesses, databases help manage customers' information, sales, inventory, and employees' records. And also, in healthcare, they securely store patient records, laboratory results, and medical histories. And lastly, in education, databases organize student information, grades, attendance, and enrollment records.
Without databases, managing large amount of information would be slow, difficult, and prone to errors. Understanding databases isn't just for IT students. It helps all of us to make a sense of the digital world and make smarter choices about our own data. The next time you scroll an app, pay a bill, or check your grades, remember, there's a database working quietly behind the scenes to make it happen.
Thank you for watching our vlog. We hope you learned something about the importance of databases in our daily lives.
Remember, every click, every record, and every transaction is made possible because of databases.
Thank you and have a great day.